Making $100 a day online sounds unrealistic to many people. Some think it is only possible for experts, scammers, or people living in rich countries. But the truth is very different. In today's digital world, making $100 a day online is achievable for normal people with the right strategy, consistency, and mindset. This video is not about get-rich-quick schemes. There are no fake promises here. Instead, this is a realistic, step-by-step explanation of how people around the world are already earning $100 per day using the internet. Some do it with skills, some with content, some with digital products, and some with smart systems that generate income daily. If you stay until the end of this video, you will clearly understand which methods work best for beginners, which methods are long-term, and how you can realistically reach $100 a day online. Section 1. Understanding what $100 a day really means. Before choosing any method, it is important to understand what $100 a day actually means. $100 per day equals around $3,000 per month. For many people, this is more than a full-time salary. But this income does not usually come instantly. Most online income methods follow one of three models. You exchange your skill for money, you exchange your time for money, you build digital assets that make money repeatedly. Beginners often fail because they jump from one method to another. The people who succeed focus on one or two methods and improve every day. The goal is not to work harder, but to work smarter and build a system that can produce $100 daily. Section 2. Freelancing, the fastest way for beginners. Freelancing is one of the most direct and reliable ways to make money online. If you have any skill that can be delivered digitally, you can sell it online. These skills include graphic design, video editing, content writing, web development, social media management, SEO, voiceover work, and even AI-based services. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect clients with freelancers from all over the world. The biggest advantage of freelancing is that you do not need money to start. You only need a skill and an internet connection. For example, if you charge $20 per project and complete 5 projects per day, you reach $100 daily. As your experience grows, you can increase your prices and work less while earning more. Many successful freelancers started with zero experience and learned their skills online for free. The key factors are a professional profile, good communication, and consistent delivery of quality work. Section 3. Content writing and blogging. Content writing is another powerful way to earn money online. Businesses, websites, and brands need written content every day. This includes blog posts, articles, website pages, and marketing copy. As a content writer, you can charge per word, per article, or per project. Beginners usually start with lower rates, but experienced writers can easily earn $100 per day by writing just 1 or 2 articles. Blogging, on the other hand, is a long-term strategy. You create your own blog in a profitable niche, such as finance, technology, health, or AI tools. At first, blogging may not generate income, but once traffic grows, you can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Many bloggers earn passive income, meaning they make money even while sleeping. A single blog post can generate income for years if done correctly. Section 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn without your own product. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular online income models. You promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You do not need to create a product, handle customer support, or manage payments. Your job is only to drive traffic and build trust with your audience. Affiliate marketing works extremely well with YouTube, blogs, and social media. You can promote products like software tools, online courses, AI platforms, or physical products. If you promote a product that pays $20 per sale, you only need 5 sales per day to reach $100. Many successful affiliates focus on one niche and build authority over time. Section 5. YouTube automation and faceless channels. YouTube is one of the biggest online income platforms in the world. You do not need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Many channels earn thousands of dollars monthly using faceless content. Examples of faceless channels include educational videos, finance explainers, AI tools, reviews, motivational videos, storytelling channels, documentary-style content with AI tools. You can automate most of the work, including script writing, voiceover generation, and video editing. YouTube pays creators through ads, and additional income comes from affiliate links and sponsorships. Once a channel is monetized, even old videos can generate daily income. One viral video can easily make more than $100 per day. Section 6. Selling digital products. Digital products are one of the smartest ways to make money online. These include ebooks, online courses, templates, prompts, planners, and guides. The biggest advantage of digital products is scalability. You create the product once and sell it unlimited times. There are no shipping costs and no inventory. If you sell a digital product for $25, you only need 4 sales per day to reach $100. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to sell digital products even for beginners. Many people combine YouTube or social media with digital products to create a powerful income system. Section 7. Using AI tools to earn money. AI tools have completely changed the online earning landscape. Today, people use AI to provide services that once required years of experience. You can use AI tools to write articles, create logos, design thumbnails, edit videos, generate voiceovers, create social media posts. You can sell these services on freelancing platforms or directly to clients. Even simple AI-based services can generate $100 per day if marketed correctly. The key is not the tool itself, but how you use it to solve real problems for people. Section 8. Print on demand and e-commerce. Print on demand is an online business model where you sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and phone cases. You do not need to hold inventory. When someone places an order, the platform prints and ships the product for you. Your profit is the difference between the selling price and production cost. With proper marketing and attractive designs, print on demand can generate daily income. 10 sales per day with $10 profit per sale equals $100. Section 9. Online teaching and coaching. If you are good at teaching or explaining concepts, online tutoring can be a great income source. You can teach languages, academic subjects, programming, or even skills like freelancing and content creation. Online tutors often charge between $15 to $50 per hour. Teaching just a few hours per day can easily reach the $100 goal. Trust, communication, and consistency are the most important factors in this method. Section 10. Mindset, consistency, and final advice. Making $100 a day online is possible, but it requires patience and discipline. Most people fail because they quit too early or chase shortcuts. Choose one method, learn it deeply, and take action every day. Avoid scams and unrealistic promises. Focus on building skills, creating value, and solving problems. Online income is not magic. It is a business. If you treat it seriously, it can change your life. Outro. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know which method you want to try first. Remember, your first $100 online will change the way you think forever. Start today, stay consistent, and results will come.